Hi friends, I hope you all are doing great, and I'm here with a requested video to show my little Manny lunch bag. I shared this on Instagram that I have a little bag that I give myself manicures with at lunch, or I keep all my supplies to give myself manicures. So I want to take you on the journey today of giving you a little tour of my bag. So let's get started. So friends, let me tell you a little bit about why I'm doing my own nails now. So I used to go to the nail salon and get my nails done, but I had a little bit of a problem. One, every time I went, I noticed that I would get sick. 2 days after, my allergies would be awful. I would feel just awful. And it was consistent. It happened every time without fail. I even tried wearing a mask when I went to go get my nails done, and that didn't even work, nor did it feel good having to sit in a nail salon with a mask on. And then I had another problem. I would get my nails done, and then a week later they looked awful because my nails were growing so fast. So it was just not working for me, and having to spend time going to the nail salon, having to spend money because I would get the powder, and that's about a $50 visit every time you go. So I was like, why not treat myself and make a little bag that I can keep all my little supplies and do my nails myself so I don't get sick, so I save money and I save time and I get a little break during my work day. So I want to take you through and kind of show you all the little tidbits that I have in my bag and to show you the bag. So let's jump right in. So friends, this is my Manny lunch nail bag, and so I want to share with you kind of everything that I have in the bag and how I have it organized. As you can see, I just simply use these little linen pouches, and my bag is actually one from my subscription box. Last year or the last 2 years I've had a subscription box, and this was the one that was in a previous box, and it just says My Organized Mess on it, and it's a cute little black and linen neutral bag, so I absolutely love it. So I have these little linen pouches that I use inside the bag to keep everything organized, and they really work great. I get them at Hobby Lobby. I believe it's 4 in a pack and very inexpensive. I think you can get them for like $2 or $3 for the pack, and if you got your 40% off, it's even less than that. But they're really cute and they're perfect for organizing inside my little Manny lunch bag. And so now I want to take you through and share with you what I have in each one of the bags. So not in any particular order, I'm going to show you what's in each pouch. So the first one here, this has all of the hand creams and cuticle creams and all of my cuticle oils and those things. I have really bad cuticles, and so these really are needed in the whole manicure process, along with a hand cream. And this is actually a hand cream that my team bought me for Christmas. They know how I struggle with my cuticles, and when we're filming, I'm always like, oh my gosh, my cuticles look awful. And so they went in and they got me the Burt's Bees set. It came with the hand cream, also the cuticle cream, and hand cream repair. And you all know this is the oil that I get from the nail salon. Actually, I love theirs. I get a big bottle of it and I put it in these little dispensers. I got these little dispensers off Amazon. I'll link them below if you're interested. But they made me a big, beautiful gift basket, and these were one of the things in it. So I'm actually loving this stuff here. Okay, friends, so in the next pouch is all of my tools, and I have things like my clippers in here. I have tweezers to kind of help me pick any lint out as I'm doing my nails, which often happens. I do have my sanitizer, so this is just alcohol for me to clean my tools after I'm finished, and little cuticle scissors, trimmers, and then I have a little brush to help with any cleanup after, as you're painting your nails and you need to kind of clean up the edges and things like that. I have that there. So this is for all of my little tools. I do have little cotton rounds in the bottom for cleaning the tools also, and I tuck those in the bottom. So the next pouch here is for my nail polishes, and I like to keep, you all know I'm a neutral girl most of the time, so I have 2 neutrals in here that I keep. And then I also have my nail hardener, and I use the Sally Hansen nail hardener, and I've been knowing about this Sally Hansen since I was a little girl. So my nails can tend to not be the strongest, so I like using those. And then of course I have the Sally Hansen top coat, And then also I have a dark color, and I like to have a dark and a light color because I go in between those two colors. So I just keep the basics with me. I don't have a big selection that I keep in this on-the-go kit here. So I have my little on-the-go packs of nail polish remover. It makes it easy and it kind of minimizes the smell in the office, so I can just open a patch and take my nail polish off. I also have a little cleanup stick to clean up my nails, and it just has the little nail polish remover already on it. Makes it easy to clean up. So that's all that's in there. And then I have my little brush to kind of when I'm doing my nails, to scrub my nails. This helps kind of after all the filing and all that's done. So I also keep in my office this little bowl. This is what I soak my nails in when I'm doing my nails, and this is just kind of one you can get in TJ Maxx or Marshall's, just in the kitchen section. Just a little kind of, I guess it's one of the appetizer bowls, but it's perfect for your nails. So it's come in handy here. So I kind of keep that in my office so that I can grab it when it's time to do my nails. So my nail files actually lay in the bottom of the bag, and I have these in the bottom of the bag because they're long, and it's easier just to lay them in the bottom of the bag, put the pouches on top, because when I go to do my nails, I pull everything out. So it keeps it really simple. So friends, as far as where I store my little mani kit, I have it in my office in a basket that's kept in my bookshelf, and this is a little basket that I got from Hobby Lobby. Love, you guys know that. You might remember that from my previous office tour, but and then I keep my little soaking bowl right there behind it, so it's the perfect spot because no one knows that it's even there. But it's easy for me to get to when I need it. So friends, I hope you have enjoyed seeing my little mani lunch bag. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you're new to my channel, I love sharing things that are all organization and decor and cooking and all kinds of fun things, DIY. So I would love for you to subscribe. To all my current and new subscribers, thank you so much for joining me on this journey. I hope you all are doing great. I will see you at the next video. And this is Nikki saying goodbye.